Nature whispers. Mother Nature says, I don't need people, but people need me. Most of the time, we are simply impatient to listen the alarming signs shown by the Mother Nature. Natural disasters such as cracking in the ground, if we see green sky, it gives sign to produce storm and has the potential to produce tornadoes. Leo Tolstoy once said that one of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. We humans take for granted the great things that nature has offered. Nature is the painting of infinite beauty. The COVID-19 pandemic has spread around the world, which is the outbreak of natural disaster. Living for others is the rule of nature. Nothing in the nature lives itself. Rivers don't drink their water. Trees don't eat their own fruit. Sun doesn't give heat for itself. Flowers don't spread fragrance for themselves. So it is the need of the hour to help each other at our own level.